And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 30 January 2023, and I'm super excited to get into it today. But first, super important disclaimer. These videos are all intended for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. 9 out of 10 traders loses money. 1 in 3 traders lose 90% or more. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or any other strategy. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Results are not typical. We got high, fly, ball, and it is out of here. HSCS. I'm going to pull up the chart here in a second, but this was up 170% today. Okay, tiny market cap, but still traded a lot of shares, 77 million, and there's only 8 million outstanding. Okay, so when that happens, when there's an imbalance between the supply and demand of shares available to shares traded, that's when you can see these huge squeezes higher. Okay, GMVD was the next big mover. I didn't like this move as much, and it's a smaller company. They did have some good news, but I think there's a high risk of dilution here in this stock. And BBAI was the last notable mover. This was up 64.46%, and this is probably my favorite chart pattern out of anything I saw today. It was a breakout on nice volume, so we'll see if it can continue tomorrow. And now let's get into the about to breakout stocks. It could go off the wall. Okay, so WISA, or WISA, I still don't know how to pronounce this. This was actually a notable decliner just yesterday, but here we are up 42.93%. Okay, so things can turn on a dime in this market. STSS, this chart doesn't look that great. Kind of looks a little choppy, but it was a breakout on some decent volume here. Okay, so this is on watch too. AEMD is the last about to breakout stock, and there was a pretty big rejection here on this price move up. So I'm not too hopeful for this stock tomorrow either, but maybe it can break out to new highs and keep running. We'll just have to watch. Okay, so that's it for the about to breakout stocks. Now let's get into the scary stocks. Ay caramba, some of these stocks look really bad that you shouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole probably. Fiscal Note Holdings down 31.62% today, and it was on some decent volume. So this might have more to fall. Might have more to fall here too. BuzzFeed, the runner from the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday last week, all of a sudden had this big pullback today, but still closed above yesterday's low. So that's encouraging. I'm going to watch this stock tomorrow too. And the last notable decliner here was Bridger Aerospace Group, and this was down 25% after falling from 24 back just a few days ago. So definitely not great action recently. We'll see if it can find a bottom here, but we're just going to have to watch and see. And that's it for the scary stocks. And that's it for this stock recap show. If you're looking to become a world-class trader, don't lone wolf it. Find people who are doing it and are doing it really well, and just surround yourself with those people. And I know it can be incredibly painful and frustrating in the markets, especially if you're a beginner or intermediate trader who doesn't have it figured out yet. But there is an easier way. You can schedule a strategy session at FridayTraders.com, and a member of our team, an expert member of our team, will be happy to assist you in your trade journey. Okay, so that's where you can book the call, and I'll see you in the next show. See you then.